Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to make a progress bar in Capcut. First, open the project that you want to work on. After that, click on the Add Text option. Click on Default Text and drag and drop them on your timeline. Now, increase the length of the text bar and make it fit your video. Now click on Text Box from the right and add Create a dotted line here. Next, scroll down and bold the text from Style. Click on Character and increase the text size so it will form a line. Also, select this font style from the Preset Style section. Now scroll up and drag this bar to the right to increase text size. Again, scroll down and decrease the thickness to 22%. After that, go to Color and choose a greenish contrast for this line. Now right-click on Text File and select Copy. After that, paste it again on your timeline. Once done, click on Color section and select the same color shade for the line as we have chosen previously. Then, go to Animation. From the list, select this animation. Next, drag the duration bar to the maximum. Click on the play button and this is how it should look like. Again, drag the cursor to the start and play it. Now, you can change the color of the black line to white if you want. Also, you can make all the necessary changes in it if needed. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.